Hello everyone, today I thought I'd try doing an eye tutorial. So I have my eye here, done the line art, filled in the base colours. I thought I'd go with a blue eye, so let's start by colouring it. So what I like to do first is usually go for a colour that's darker and more, choose a slightly different colour from the original base colour. Like here, moving more towards the purpley, blues, purple side, and pick a darker colour. And with my brush, I usually like to colour in the eye with a medium hard airbrush. And first, what I like to do is add in the pupil, try to center it, slightly below center, but yep. Now with a slightly darker color, go for a soft airbrush and make it darker at the top. I usually actually like to go for multiply on this layer. And then to contrast, go for a lighter color, but this time we'll go with maybe a turquoise. Turquoise would look good. And I'll make sure to put it on add. Lower the opacity a bit. That's good. I sometimes switch between doing like a more harder edge like this and a softer one like this. So the next part is my favorite part because it really brings in life to the eyes, and I like to go for a slightly desaturated purple, sometimes a blue colour, depending on the colour of the eye really. But since the eye's already blue, I like to go for a purple. Make sure the layer's on screen. And bring it forward, and maybe it's slightly more saturated, that's better, and add in the reflection of the eye. Sometimes I smooth it out on the edge, like so. Alright, so I added in some details, but my iPad decided to not save the footage that I recorded. All I really did was add in some small details on a layer, on add, lowered the opacity a bit, and I added the shadow that the eyelid's casting on the eye, which is this one. Just a light grayish blue color, and then just on top of that on an add layer, just, you know, with a soft airbrush colored in the edges, and that's it. So next I'm gonna add in some whites. That's good. Now I'm gonna just take a dark purple and on another multiply layer, just add in some dark details. With the darker details I just added in, let's just smudge out the edges. Now I'll just take a light turquoisey blue color, soft airbrush, and on top of the whites of the eyes, I'm gonna put a layer on add and just brighten the whites of the eyes. And then, finally, I'm just gonna start coloring the liner. And let's go for a dark reddish brown for the skin parts. And since the eyebrow is brown, I'm just gonna go for dark brown here and just color that in. Okay, so now on top of the eyelash liner, add a new layer, put it on screen, and I usually like to go for a color here that either matches the character's hair color or the eye color. So I'm gonna go for a purplish blue. Opacity and just start coloring it in. Maybe bring the opacity up a little bit. And now just start erasing the edges. And then I just start adding in gaps. And then just fix it with the smudge tool. And sometimes you can add in a second color to make it more colorful. And then just start shading around the eye. So you want to take your shading color for the skin, finally, I just added a dark red layer on top of the eyelash layer, and I just set it to darken, and that gives it a nice red effect, or red tint rather. And we're almost done. Lastly, what I like to do is take a slightly red color, not too saturated, you want it to match the skin tone still, and with a soft airbrush just slightly redden it around the eyes. Lower the opacity if you'd like, make it more subtle, and that's pretty much it. To sell the look completely, maybe I'll add some blush around the eye. And that's it. I hope this was helpful in any way, insightful into how I color eyes, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.